Okay, bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. So today in this video, I will tell you how to make a new project in Microbit. The name of our project is Avoid Distance. So let's get started. First, you need to we will see what's the project, and then after that, let's make let's make it in the new tab. First, you need to come to the website, namely maker.microbit.org, and then click a new project, and then give your project a name. Give name of your project is Avoid Distance. And then after that, and then next is we'll make like this one. At first, you need to add an icon, so you can uh, you can know what is that your microbit or not. Okay, I will make this one maybe, and then now go to the what a new uh this link, and then after that copy the link, uh click the extension, and then put the link in the extension search. And after that, if you already found it, click and wait. And now already I will give you the link of the extension in the description of this video later. uh, Now we're started from this one. First, if you want to give an RGB color value, you can give. The color is up to you. Maybe I want to change being cyan. uh, After that, wait okay. After that, the next is go to the variable and make new variable named jarak, and then take this block, go to the tiny bit extension, and check this block, and then after that go to the logic, take if true, and take the same as like, and then take this jarak. Wait, I'm wrong. We'll not check that, but take this one and take a variable. Please, right? And then after that, the number is 15, and then next is we're gonna make like this, that one. Go to the tiny bit, and then take this one, and change the brown bin back. The speed is 80, and after that go to the basic, take this, and then duplicate the block. Wait, I want to see spin right 100, and then take this, spin right, the speed is 100, and take wait and take pause again. And if already, you can take car control speed run, and the speed is up to you. Okay, now already let's check it in our own microbit. But before, you can click download to download your project, and then after that put it inside of your microbit, so you can uh, you can make the progress now. And now let's go to, oh wait, let's make it. Yeah, I've already download. You can go to the your what your file explorer, and then after that put it like my inside of my video, like this video. Okay, now I will tell you how to put our project inside of our microbit. First, you need your microbit inside of your tiny bit, and you need your USB cable too. And then after that, you can connect your USB cable to your microbit. After already connect, you can see there's microbit folder over here. You can drag your file inside of that folder and wait. There is a loading. Already now we will check our and we will check what is the result inside of our microbit. Okay, so this is the result of our microbit. Okay, I will see you, and this is the microbit. The microbit you can on, and then after that you can connect it first, and then after that on. Wait, look when we're walking, and then after that I put my hand over here. It will be turning, and then after that go to front like this. Wait, wait, you didn't see that. I will show you. So this is the obstacle, and then after that, wait, and this is the microbit. Okay, we will check it, and then after that, turning, turning and turning. Look, wait, the microbit is so fast, and then after that, you can see uh, after microbit direction of this distance, this obstacle is just is minus 15, and he will turn, and then after that go front again. Okay, maybe that's all from me. I'm sorry if I have a mistake. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.